So the protagonist in this novel is Zakir, who lives with his Biyamma, that is the grandmother, and with his Abbu Jan and Ammi Jan. And the first chapter of the novel starts in Raipur, a village. So Zakir, the protagonist, hears different mythological stories from Mahabharata and Ramayana from a Hindu shopkeeper, Bhagatji, and his father, Abbajan. Every day these conversation, every day these stories, as though Bhagatji and Abbajan together were expliciting the universe from him for him. So basically, he has different kind of stories and different kind of explanations from Bhagatji and Abbajan, and every incident has a story which is narrated differently because of the religion of Bhagatji and Abbajan. As he listened to the conversation, an image of the world took shape in his mind, and because of the stories, he is traveling around the world in the past centuries, and he's exploring the world through their stories. Biyama flared at him. Why were you born in our house? You should have been born in some Hindu house. Your father is always invoking the names of God and the Prophet. He doesn't realize that his son has taken to Hindu stories. So Zakir is a person who listened to Bhagat Ji's stories more, and he considered them more real. And this is the reason BMA says that you should be born in a Hindu family rather than living with us. So Zakir showing or having a child's innocence, he did not discriminate between religion. In the same house, the name of Allah and Ram were chanted because he hears and takes the name of both the God. So Intizar Husain snaps the thread of imagination and also provides the writer with a glimpse of reality. The sound of slogans began shouting outside suddenly, which penetrates the room. This was the scenario of every day. Every day there was a rally which began with shouts and end with the story. So in the first chapter, in after after a few pages, there always a short snap, a short paragraph mentioning that how at night they could hear the loud voices of rally, and that was the reason that Zakir's father, that Abbajan and Zakir, could not sleep. Zakir could not study because there was so much loud voice of the rally. Another historical thing that happened in Rupnagar was the plague, in which only Hindu were dying. The town was emptied both ways. Some people left the town, others left the world. Hussein tells the reader how diseases are differentiated in religion. Only Muslim were infected by cholera and Hindu with plague. The condition was so worse that all the doctors, Masiha's power was waning, and only the power of death was growing. As the disease appeared on its own way, it also left the same way. So a disease spread, and it was so harmful disease that it was only particularly directed towards Hindu. Only Hindu people were infected, and lot of people died because of it. And soon the disease disappeared also in the same way it appeared. Another historical thing that happened in this chapter was that electricity came in that village. A life-changing event that happened in Rupnagar was coming of electricity. Monkeys were part of their life, but as soon as the electricity came, few monkeys died when they swung on the wires, and as a result, the race of monkeys vanished from the village, which clearly show when human race move towards technology, he leaves the nature behind. Zakir's Abba Jan was against electricity entering the mosque. Therefore, he went on guard duty in front of mosque. That is how he protested. But Biyamma, the grandmother of Zakir, was on the deathbed, and he could not reach on the time. And as a guilt, after few days, he saw that the electricity has already been installed. When he saw this, he came right back, and for the first time in his life, offered the dawn prayer at home. From then on, he never entered the mosque and never offered the prayers except at home, because Zakir's Abba Jan was so much at guilt that he could not see his mother last time because he was sitting in front of the mosque and protesting that the electricity should not enter the mosque. Then the second step he took towards the technology, took against the technology was Then Abbajan tried to halt the spreading innovations in Rupnagar. During Muharram, when big drums began to sound, he seized them and ripped out the drum heads. Playing drums is forbidden by Sharia. With all his strengths, he did try to oppose every innovation and technology. So in the first chapter, the B Amma, the grandmother dies, and Zakir is very much attached to B Amma. So whole family was affected by it. But the most important thing that happened was the coming of technology, the coming of electricity, and how people did not welcome electricity because the animals were dying, and some people did not accept it because of their religion. So how technology or an innovation is not accepted easily. Another personal event that occurred in Zakir's life was when his Khala Jan came with her two daughters, one Tahira and other Sabira, whose nickname was Shabbo, whom Zakir liked and often played with her games because they were almost same age. But after a few days, Zakir family left Rupnagar as the father's grip on the village was lost, and Biamma, who made the firm decision to stay in Rupnagar, was no more. So his father's grip that electricity should not enter or the drum should not play, nobody was listening, and he became voiceless in the town Rupnagar, and it turned out to be the main reason, one of the main reason that they left Rupnagar for Vyapur. Now in his new village Vyapur, it was as though he had all at once grown up, as though his childhood had been left behind in Rupnagar. But in Vyapur, nothing was different. Same rallies, same commotion, and same destruction. So they could not sleep peacefully here also, because every night, every day there were rallies, the people were shouting, the people were protesting. Only once Zakir alone went to Rupnagar in his vacation, when he did spend quality time with Shabbo and her family, where Shabbo was attached towards the novel he brought. So she made a list of novels for him to bring next time. So they had a common topic to talk, and this is the reason they became so much attached towards themselves. From childhood to adult, they were attracted towards each other. So this was about the first chapter. I'll be telling the summary chapter wise and then discussing the important question or the themes. So thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe and like my channel.